Here in GE event, and we will take reviews from the people. We will ask their name, their country, and one line for GE. So let's go.
I'm Salima.
I'm Suhana.
And we're here all the way from Florida. And we are so excited to be here. The energy is better than anything that we had expected. And it is such a blessing to be here. So amazing job, especially to all the volunteers.
Yeah, honestly, seeing so many new people, meeting new people, making new friends, it's honestly been a really impactful experience. I'm definitely going to take part next time. Like, I wish I could be a volunteer, an athlete, but just seeing how like everybody came together as like one Jamaat truly and making this experience.
I'm Natasha from Kenya, and GE Festival has brought so many connections and so many memories back, and so many reunions from GE to local camps all around the world.
Thank you so much.
My name is Fahim Parmar and I'm from India. India. And GE, memorable, fun-loving, and an opportunity to showcase my talent, and I love you.
With the people?
Yes, I did.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
My name is Rahim Hassan Ali. I'm from Portugal, and GE has been absolutely amazing.
And I'm from Afghanistan. I really enjoyed this event, and we came from Afghanistan, and we enjoyed this place and this gathering for all Jamaat, and this amazing experience. Thank you so much.
My name is Lisa Lalani. I'm from the U.S., from Texas, and I have enjoyed myself so much with this diversity. I've met so many people. I hope you're here.
Really fun to be at this festival. There were so many countries. I reunited with a lot of people I knew from other countries. So it was a great week of arts, culture and games.
Нравится в GE-фестивале то, что здесь очень дружные люди и очень-очень много хороших людей, которые относятся очень хорошо к нашей стране.
Thank you.
My name's Serena Kamaliani. I'm from Minneapolis, Minnesota, and I've really enjoyed getting to see all of my friends from around the world again. This has been a really cool opportunity.
Did you connect with people?
I definitely did. I went to a GE camp in 2023, and I got to see them for the first time after 2 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
We're glad you like it. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
My name is Animesh, this is Anik, and this is Piyush. We are from India, and we came here for the GE festival. It was a beautiful experience, like a lifetime memory. We made new connection, new contacts, and we enjoyed the festival so much. We danced a lot, we explored the arts, we enjoyed the sport.
From Toronto, Canada. So I wanted to say that this GE Festival was incredible. We got to meet so many people along the red carpet, and we look forward to the twilight moments here at the closing ceremonies. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Simreen Kalani. I'm from United States of America, and this was a great experience. Thank you, GE, for bringing people together from all across the globe and for a great festival. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
My name is Nina Al-Khatib. My name is Samar Al-Khatib. We are originally from Syria, and we live in Germany, and we play for Team UK. We play table tennis, and we have the final in double.
Yeah. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So one line about GE.
We hope that always happened. Not like 8 years or so. We hope that more and more, like every year. It's really so nice.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
We have Mr. Shakil here. Mr. Shakil, how your things are going? Can you have like one line for us? Like, did you like the event or what?
I loved it, actually.
Can you hold the mic, please?
Yeah, sure.
So one line for the event.
I could say that it's a great gathering.
With the people?
A lot of people, actually, yeah. I loved it.
So great news are coming, huh?
A lot.
Yeah, thank you. It's the last day and you can see the crowd. People are actually sad because this event is closing. And see, we are getting a lot of bands for the memories.
For friends and family, you can take.
And let's take more reviews from the people. Let's take it.
Hello everyone, my name is Amir, I'm from Tajikistan. It was wonderful 8-9 days to spend together. Was so happy to meet all our brothers and sisters around the world. And many love and kisses from Tajikistan.
Thank you.
My name is Iqbal Nur Mahmood from the UK, and it's been an absolute pleasure and privilege being here. We're performing soon for the closing ceremonies. We hope to see you there. If it's post, hope you enjoyed it.
Thank you so much.